Welcome to step-by-step Canva tutorials for beginner. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva app and different features in Canva app that make designing very easy and simple. Canva is a very friendly app for graphic designing. So let's go. When you come into your Canva app, this is the first interface you're going to see. Before I forget, if you don't have Canva app in your system, you can simply use the website Canva browser in your Chrome browser, or you can download it from Chrome. So when you first come into Canva, this is the first thing you're going to see in Canva. This is the first template, and if you're using Canva for the first time, it's going to require you to log into the Canva app with your details. So here we are, the first interface. We have different options. We have this option that says your designs. If you click on this place, you're going to see other designs that you have created. If you click here, it's about templates, other already made templates. So let me click on this design to see. It's loading the designs I've created before. You can see all these things here are my own designs I've created. Then let me click on templates. All these things here are already templates that you can use and customize it to suit you. We also have Canva AI. This is where you can ask it to do anything for you. You can ask it to generate images for you. Let me just do a simple testing of this template. This Canva AI. So I just typed generate a realistic image of a cat. Let me see what it's going to give me. Okay, it's generating my image right now. So you can see it has given us the images. Canva is mind-blowing. It has lots of features that are very interesting. So now I'm going to show you how to create a simple design using Canva. First of all, I'm going to click on templates. There are different templates that you can use for your designs. It depends on the social media platform you're creating designs for, or what you're creating the designs for. It could be for ebook, it could be for Instagram post, it could be for YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner, it could be for Facebook or TikTok. So what you are using the design for determines the template that you search for. So let me take, for instance, now we're going to create an Instagram post. I'm going to search for Instagram post. Before you search for Instagram post, ensure that you have clicked on templates. So we are on templates now. I'm going to search for Instagram post template. It has already given me some suggestion. Instagram post template, Instagram story, Instagram reels video. This is if you're creating a design for just Instagram posts, you're going to select Instagram post. But if you're creating a design for Instagram story, you're going to select Instagram story, because these things are different. They are not of the same size and shape. So I'm going to choose Instagram post. Here we'll have different templates already made. These things you are seeing here are called templates. These are people's templates that you can choose and customize it to yours. And there is one thing you need to note on Canva: is not everything on Canva that is free. If you're not using Canva Pro, don't anything that you see that has this crown. I don't know if you can see this crown here where my cursor is at the moment. If you're not using Canva Pro, you can't use it. So you search for the ones that don't have the crown icon. As you can see, this one here, this one has Juliana. The one that has Juliana Silva doesn't have any crown on it. So before you use any feature on Canva, ensure that it doesn't have any crown, especially if you're not using Canva Pro. But if you're using Canva Pro, you can use any feature on Canva. So if you're on free Canva, you go for the things that are free. Let's continue. We want to create Instagram post design, and if you want to create a design and you want to use already available templates to re-edit it, you are free to go over this template and select the one you want. This is applicable to any kind of design you want to create on Canva, whether it's Instagram, YouTube, and all that. But in this case, I'm going to create a design from scratch for this tutorial so that you understand better. Because I want to create a design from scratch, I'm going to click on create this blank space that has a plus sign. I'll click here. So it's going to take us to our designing page. Canva has different features and interesting features that make designing very, very interesting, sweet and mind-blowing. So this is the template I'm going to use for this tutorial. So in Canva, this is our designing page, and if you want to zoom your designing sheet so that it will be clearer and more visible, you come down here and use this line. As you can see, this line here, you can drag it. The more you drag, the more this number here increases. So let us leave it at, let's leave it at 31%. So in Canva, if I want to change the background of this white sheet, I'll highlight it first. You can see this color here. I'll click on this color to take me to where there are other colors. You can see plenty colors here. Let me select black. Yeah, so anytime you're designing something on Canva and you want to change background, this is basically what you're going to do. You want to change background color, you use this format. Then we also have something called elements. Elements is where you can see elements here. The next thing here is elements. You can see elements is where you get different things: shapes, frame, lines, border lines, background. Like if you want to add a specific background, let me take for instance, you want to use paper background in your design, this is where you find all of them. So let me search for frame. So I'll click on this. It's going to show us different kinds of frames. You go through them and pick any kind of frame you want to use. So let me pick this one that has circle shape. And if you want to see more frames that are available, you simply click on this see all here. It's going to show you different kinds of frames that are available in. This is applicable to other things. If you want to see other things that are available, always use see all to see the remaining options. So let me select this circle shape. You can see the frame here now. Frame is where you put your pictures. I'm going to show you, or any image you want to use. And if you want to, you can adjust frame to any size of your choice. If you want to increase the size of this frame, we'll drag it up. Just click on this white line here, you drag it up, drag it sideways, and all that. And anytime you're designing anything in Canva and you made a mistake, you want to go back, or you want to bring back something that you tampered with, you simply come up here and click on this arrow. This is called undo arrow. I will click on this arrow to take us back to the former shape of this frame. I think it's in the former shape now. So if you also want to move this frame around in this your designing sheet, you just highlight it. You can drag it to any side of this designing template you want. So let me just keep this in the middle for now. Then the next thing we're going to do is to add a picture to my frame. We're going to come to this option here, this place written uploads. So I'll click on upload. These are pictures already imported into Canva app. And if you are doing this for the first time and you don't have any image you want to use for your design, you can simply click on upload files. You go to your gallery and upload a file. Okay, let me take for instance, I want to upload this file that has YouTube icon, this white background here. I'll double click on it. It will come over to my Canva. You can see it's already uploading here. So I'm going to select a picture I want to use for this design. I actually want to use my own picture, so let me take this picture here. You will double click on it. It's going to appear on this screen. See it here. And sometimes you can mistakenly double click twice. You just simply delete. When you want to delete anything, highlight it, then click on this delete icon and the picture will go. I want to put this picture in my frame, in the frame that we selected. I'm going to drag the picture up to the frame, and here we are. It's already there. Another thing I want to show you is if you want to remove background of a picture in Canva, this is only available for those that are using Canva Pro. Please ignore this red something you're seeing here. I'm actually using Canva Pro and my subscription is about to expire, so it's giving me warning and all that. So this is how to remove background in Canva. You highlight the image you want to remove the background. Highlight means when you double click on certain character, certain image or element, it will bring out these white lines at the edges. That means you have highlighted the element. So I'm going to highlight this picture now. Come over here and click on remove background. So this is how to remove background of an image in Canva. But in this case, I actually don't want to remove background of this picture. I'm going to simply go back to the previous background. So I'll use this undo arrow and click on it so I take us back. You can see we're already back here. If you're not using Canva Pro, there is also another option on how to remove background of your images that you want to use for your design. So if you want to know how to do this, you let me know at the comment section so that I will make another video to show you how to do this using an AI tool. Also, if you have watched this video to this level, do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more, and also drop comments under the comment section. Thank you. So the next thing we have here is text. This is how to add a text to your design in Canva. You come over to this place, you select this text. Under here we'll have different options. If you want to add a heading, you can select add a heading. If you want to add subheading, you can select add subheading. If it's the body of the text, you can select add a little bit of body text. Then there are other designed text for your designs. We can see many of them. You can click on any one that is free, but the ones here are mostly not free, though there is free one here, free one here, free one. As you can see, there is no crown icon on it. So let us try one. Let me click on this one that has flare. You can see it on my design, see it here, but I don't need it, so I'm going to delete it. Anytime you want to delete something on Canva, you can simply use this method. Anytime you want to delete something in Canva, just highlight, then click on this delete icon and it's gone. So I'm going to add a text to this design right now. I'll click on add a heading, type for my keyboard. Let me use happy new month. Yeah, happy new. We can't see what I wrote because the text color is black and the background of my design is black. I'm going to show you how to change the color of your text in Canva. Anytime you want to edit anything, always ensure that that particular thing is highlighted. Right now our text is highlighted, so we're going to come over here to change this capital letter A. You click on this to change the color of the text. There are different colors here. I'm basically going to select white. You can choose any color of your choice. You can choose pink, you can choose green, depends on what you want to do or what you like. So okay, let me select green. I want to show you something. If you want to also add more emphasis to your color or more tone to your color, you come here and select this color wheel, this circle thing that has a plus sign in the middle. Click on it. It's going to bring out different shades of color. Green, you click on this white line, drag it to any side you want. As you can see, as I'm dragging this line, the happy new month I wrote, the color of the happy new month I wrote is changing. You can see it already. So this is how to change the color or add any kind of color you want. So I'm going to go back to the white color I chose because I don't want to use green. I will use this white color. So we're going to add some effect to our text. I'm going to still highlight the text, then come to this place that is written effects. Click on it. There are different effects that you can use for your text. You can add shadow, you can add lift, and so many of them. You can even use outline. Also, you can adjust your effects. I chose outline, and this is it. You can use this line to adjust your text, your outline. So, and also if you want to, like now the one I chose has two colors. It has white and ash color. I want to change the color, the ash color. You can see it here. I'll click here and change it to, let me choose pink. Yeah, you can see now we have white and pink color. The text has changed to white and pink color. The next thing we're going to discuss now is a text style or font style. If you want to change the font style of your text, simply come over here and click on this. It is going to give you different fonts, so you're going to go through them, select the one you want, and that is it. I usually like to use these two fonts. Let me click on this first one. You can see the text style has changed. Let me click on the second one. The text has changed again. Let me click on this. I basically like using these three, and they are always together, so I'm going to go with this last one. I love it. If you also want to increase the size of your text, the font size, you'll come up here. The current font size is 78. You can use this minus sign to reduce the size of your text. You can see the text is reducing. You can use this plus sign to increase the size of your text. You can see the text is increasing. So, or you can still click on this number and scroll down to any size that you want and select it. You can see there are a lot, so you select it. This is basically how to add text to your designs in Canva. We're going to add more designs and touch to this design so that it's not going to be just like that, just plain. So let me go to elements and select, let's go to elements. This is our element, and select something. Let me type balloon, pictures of balloons, just celebrating the new month. Let me choose this. This should be better when it's for happy birthday for someone, but I'm just trying to show you some things that you don't know about in Canva. So we can actually change this to happy birthday and anything. Okay. When you are done creating your designs, the next thing is to export your designs. I'm going to click on this share icon here, then click on download. Still click on download. So basically my design is going to download it to my PC storage. This is it. Save. Click on save. My design has been saved to my storage. This is how to use Canva to create designs. I just explained different features that you need to use for your designing. In the next video, I'm also going to be exploring more features on Canva. So if you watch this video to this level, please like this video, comment, share my video, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel for more educational tutorials like this. Thank you.